first surfing lesson done and dusted. This is Kurt from Surf Big Bay. I'm going to ask him to tell you a little bit about what they do.
Yeah guys, so we surf Big Bay, one of the main surf schools here in Big Bay in Cape Town. And we've been operating for just over 10 years now. We teach people from little kids, from right up to people in their 70s how to surf over the last 10 years. We teach people from all levels. And it's just great to get in the water. Awesome exercise. Anyone can do it. It's a very safe beach. There's no dangerous currents. I've been surfing here for over 20 years. I've never even seen a shark yet.
So how do they get hold of you?
So you can just go to our website, www.surfbigbay.co.za. And then you can, we've got a little contact form on there, our number, email address. You can check out all the info, all the different kinds of lessons, group lessons, private lessons. And you can also inquire about our Ladies Surf Club, also on Instagram and Facebook. You can go check it out. It's great to come and join the Ladies Surf Club. Started as a Ladies Surf Club, now it's like a family club. People bring their moms, their dads, their kids, everyone. So it's great, and it's scheduled normally Friday, Saturday, Sunday at 8 a.m. in the morning.
Thank you so much, Chris.
Cool,
it was
awesome.
Really good. Well, guys, that was such an amazing experience today. Don't worry about your fitness levels. If you can do a push-up on your knee, I reckon you can learn how to surf. Great thing to do for the whole family. It is super cheap. I paid 150 Rand for the board rental. That included the actual lesson. And the instructors were amazing. So you don't have to worry about getting hurt when you fall. You forget about the cold water so quickly. Do your kids a solid. Take them while they're young. It's a great fun family activity. And there's so many restaurants right there at Big Bay. You can make a whole day of it. So I hope to see all of you there very, very soon.